Leviticus. Chapter 12. The purification of a woman after childbirth. The Lord spoke to Moses, saying, Speak to the children of Israel, saying, If a woman conceives and gives birth to a male child, she shall be unclean for 7 days. As in the days of her menstrual impurity she shall be unclean. On the 8th day, the flesh of his foreskin shall be circumcised. Then she shall continue in the blood of her purification for 33 days. She shall not touch any holy thing, nor come into the sanctuary, until the days of her purification are fulfilled. But if she gives birth to a female child, she shall be unclean for 2 weeks, as in her impurity, and she shall continue in the blood of her purification for 66 days. When the days of her purification are fulfilled, whether for a son or a daughter, she shall bring to the priest at the entrance of the tent of meeting a lamb of the first year for a burnt offering, and a young pigeon or a turtle-dove for a sin offering. He shall offer it before the Lord and make atonement for her, and she shall be clean from the flow of her blood. This is the law for her who has borne a male or a female. And if she cannot afford a lamb, then she shall take 2 turtle-doves or 2 young pigeons, one for a burnt offering and the other for a sin offering. The priest shall make atonement for her, and she shall be clean. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Give it a like, comment your thoughts, and share this video with your friends and family.